Meditation isn't just about finding a quiet space, it's about weaving mindfulness into the fabric of our daily lives. One of my favorite ways to do this is through mindful eating. When I sit down for a meal, I make it a point to truly engage with my food. I chew slowly, savoring each bite, and really noticing the flavors and textures. This simple practice transforms my meals into a meditative experience. It helps me stay present, reduces the urge to overeat, and deepens my connection to what nourishes me. By embracing these moments, I find a sense of peace and gratitude that carries throughout my day. It's amazing how something as ordinary as eating can become a powerful act of mindfulness. Follow us for more useful meditation tips and mindfulness videos.